Hello, and welcome to all the do-it-yourselfers out there. Today, we'll learn all about the LOBA RepairSet and how to utilize it for those pesky dings, gouges, and scratches in your hardwood flooring. In a few short steps, you'll learn how to achieve a professional repair start to finish with our comprehensive set. Let's get started. Begin by preparing the damaged area. We recommend choosing 2 to 4 tones from the selection of 15 coatable hardwax sticks. Your main base color, along with a few accent colors to match any variation in the wood grain. This will achieve your perfect color match and ensure a seamless blend. Use the battery-powered hot knife to begin melting and mixing your chosen hardwax sticks. Carefully fill the damaged area with the melted wax, covering it evenly for a thorough and effective repair. Use the wedge scraper to remove any excess wax, ensuring a smooth and level surface. Fine-tune the repaired area with precision, refining the details for a flawless finish. Using the included gray fleece, degrease the repaired surface and remove any residue. You'll notice a more matted sheen after this step. Shake the LOBA sealing pen for approximately 30 seconds before application. Make sure you hear the internal stirring ball. That's key for a proper mix. To vent, hold the pen with its tip upwards and press the area marked P. You'll want to do this before each application. Hold the pen over a cotton cloth with the tip pointing downwards and press P again at the marked point. The finish will begin to flow into the brush tip. Lightly dab the brush on the cotton cloth to avoid applying too much material. Apply the finish evenly in one direction, taking care to apply material only to the repair. After use, rinse the brush tip with water and dry. When the spot is dry, after 5 to 10 minutes, carefully adjust the gloss level with the abrasive and polishing fabric. Polish the spot with the green side to obtain more shine and the white side to decrease shine. Congratulations! You've successfully repaired your wooden surfaces with the LOBA Home Repair Set. For more tips and information, visit our website or contact our customer support.